We have Paula Rojas. Good morning. Welcome to Hotline 5. How are you today?
Hi, Rodney. I'm good. How are you?
Quite well. Tell me about the Senior Medicaid Patrol.
The Senior Medicare Patrol is a federally funded nationwide program, and here in Florida, we are sponsored by EQ Health Solutions. Our mission is to empower and assist Medicare beneficiaries, their families, and caregivers on how to prevent, detect, and report healthcare fraud, errors, and abuse through outreach, counseling, and education.
And you are based in what county?
We are in all of Florida.
I would assume maybe the elderly population or our senior population?
Correct. It's anyone who's on Medicare or Medicaid as well.
How do you assist them?
We do educational classes. They're about 20 minutes where we teach them how to protect themselves from Medicare and Medicaid fraud. We attend health fairs and other community events where we distribute information about Medicare fraud.
Where can we find you on the web?
www.stopmedicarefraud.org.
Community workshops and forums at maybe nursing homes or neighborhoods or civic centers and places like that. How will we contact you via phone?
1-877-272-8720. Again, that's 877-272-8720.
And was I correct in saying that you would do some outreach? You go to various locations throughout South Florida?
We do. We go to senior centers, health fairs, the senior residencies, wherever seniors, their caregivers, and their family might be. We're always out there in the community doing these educational classes. For this phone number, they can also call us not only for the outreach, but if they feel that they want to report any fraud, errors, or abuse as well. That was 877-272-8720.
Medicaid fraud is a big business for criminals, especially here in South Florida.
Yes, it is. The federal government estimates that it is losing anywhere from 60 to 100 billion every year due to fraud, waste, and abuse.
And you want our senior citizens to do what?
Protect their Medicare card, for people who are on Medicare, not to give out that number to strangers because that is their social security number. So if someone calls them on the phone, don't give out that number to strangers. To read their Medicare summary notice, look for anything odd, something unusual, or unexpected, and if they do find something odd, to call the Senior Medicare Patrol and report it. We can help determine if there is a problem, and we can help resolve it for them.
And you're also available to speak to churches as well as senior citizen centers and places like that as well.
Yes, any community groups out there, we do it. We also do it in Spanish as well. And all our services are free.
From the Senior Medicaid Patrol, we have Paula Rojas, and thank you so much for the valuable information.
Thank you, Rodney.